Through the Forest in Fall. Illustrated by Passchier. Wise Owl was thinking about winter. "Hello, Squirrel, the cold weather is coming. What will you eat?"
"We're gathering nuts," said Squirrel. "We bury them to dig up later, a tasty treat for a cold day." "Squirrels like the cold, but I wonder what my little bird friend will do," said Squirrel.
"We line our nests with warm feathers and moss, and we snuggle up close." Fox sniffed the air. "Hello, Fox, are you ready for the cold weather?" tweeted the birds.
"My soft, silky hair keeps me warm," said Fox. "But I won't be alone. Take a peek in my den."
There were 3 furry fox cubs cuddled up with their mom.
"We're warm, cozy, and ready for winter."
Fall is here. The end.